Watching VacationJoys. Welcome back. Today I am at Baga Beach, Goa, and it is a pretty atmosphere here. In this video we are going to cover some of the most important and popular beaches of Goa. So let's go and enjoy this destination. Goa is the place that comes to mind of anyone who thinks of having a great time. Beaches in the morning and dazzling nightclubs in the night is what makes it a perfect breakthrough for your daily routine. Beautiful Baga is a continuation of Calangute beach. They are so much a part of each other that their segregation is almost impossible. It is located at amidst and has more picturesque settings than that of Calangute. By a wooden escarpment in the north and a fresh rivulet named as Baga that merges into the sea and provides us with a scenic location that is very interesting. Compared to Calangute Beach, Baga Beach is quieter. It is believed that the sand at Baga Beach has endured some natural curative properties. So you can see some people smearing wet sand on their bodies. By the flower power and peace generation of 60s and early 70s, and later by the trance parties. This beach is famous for breeze-catching palms, soft sand and unusual rocky formation overlaying curve of whitish sand. experience of lifestyle. This is situated on opposite side of River Chapora in North Goa. This beach is a perfect combination of white sand, black rock, steady mountains, palm trees, shacks and whatnot. You can even have an experience of water sports here. I am having breakfast at my favorite Johnny Jack beach shack.
Hi guys.
Calangute beach, which is known as Queen of Beaches and is the most popular beach in northern Goa. Actually, the main beach of Calangute has lost its charm due to tremendous inflow of tourists and mushrooming of large number of hotels and guest rooms from Calangute to Baga. Calangute beach is a perfect tourist haven, completed with shacks, stalls under the shade of palm trees that sell almost everything from fried prawns and beer to trinkets made of seashell. This is the famous seafood of Goa, and on Calangute beach you get to eat tandoor fish. As you can see, tandoor is burning there. This is the very famous kingfish of Goa, and you must surely try this on your trip to Goa. I have covered some most popular beaches of Goa in this part, but Goa has more than 40 beaches, so I'll cover them in the next part. If you liked my video, do like, share and subscribe. Till then, bye-bye.